So we just landed in La Paz and we're gonna go get some laundry done. So supposedly the service is you just drop your laundry off and then you come back and pick it up later, and it's really reasonable. So we're just on a side street here. There's all street parking everywhere, and the other guys, they're just parked around the corner. So we're gonna drop this off so we get it back as soon as possible, and yeah, we'll go from there. So the boardwalk, there's going to be a huge festival tonight, and we drove by to get here, and there's stages set up and vendors set up and everything, and it goes on for about 2 kilometers. So it should be quite the party tonight. But anyways, let me get all this put in a bag and see how Lori's making out, and then we're going to head down and drop it off. Just got done laundry, so we took it to a laundry service and they folded it up and put it in the bags for us. Just made my bed, and now there's a carnival going on. So we're meeting up with some friends. You've seen them before, you'll see them again. And we're gonna go down there and see what's going on with the nightlife. Should be a good time, guys. This place.
Isn't it funny? The other people haven't jumped on board yet. I know they're going to.
No, that's a cool looking place. La Pa.
Yeah, we got a picture of this the other day. That's a giant pearl, huh?
Love it. I love it. That is awesome. Well, of course, in true JJ's fashion, what do you think is up with the truck? I'll give you one hint. So you can see right there that I have a soft tire. Outside passenger side dual is soft. Gee, surprise. Well, I was almost ready to give up on this thing. Didn't know if I was going to find it, and all of a sudden finally I saw where some stuff was coming out. It feels like the way I was scraping it and a whole bunch of mud came out. I'm thinking it's a rock or some sharp rock went up through here. So, yep, I get to fix another flat. Now I got to bring that end all the way down here so it's just below here so I can get to it on this angle here. Well, if you've been following me, you probably seen me do this more than once, I'm afraid. It's almost like filling up with gas and fixing a flat. Something I do on a weekly basis. This feels like there's a piece of stone in there or something. Yep. As soon as I shoved that drill bit in there, something came flying out at me, so I'm pretty sure it was a stone. And so as I'm editing this video, I'm kind of doing this at the same time. At La Paz, when I was at the Carnival, that guy that, well, you've seen it right now, he came up to me, a subscriber, and sorry bud, I forgot your name, just because it takes me a little bit just to remember somebody's name. And of course my mic wasn't on, which that's why I said no blue lights. So anyways, leave a comment, get back to me. I know you're taking possession of your Northern Light camper here soon, so I want to see how that goes. Well, I gotta admit, that's probably one of the quickest repairs. It took me longer to find out where it was leaking than it did actually the repair. I'm thinking there was a big sharp rock, because when I sprayed the soap on it, got my screwdriver in there, it was just like mud coming out, and then all of a sudden the piece just came flying out at me here. So anyways, we'll throw some air back in the girl and see how she lasts. So as you've been noticing through my travels here, we've been kind of doing a caravan type thing. You notice the first time when we crossed the border, there was Kevin and his wife, and then there was Rob and Stacy. They're right here. They're there. Anyways, so they have an Instagram, and it says everybody loves Doug. And obviously you should know right now, Doug is the dog. So look them up on Instagram. Everyone loves Doug. Okay, she's a warm one out here today, guys. Also on our travels, you would have noticed the bus, the Huckleberry, the big green bus, and you've seen them, and I'll post a picture here. So that's the Huckleberry, and that's Rick and Nikki, and then the truck camper, Rob and Stacy. Rob and Stacy, Instagram, Doug, everyone loves Doug. But Rick has got a YouTube channel. It's called The Pirate Wanderer. The Pirate Wanderer. Look him up, guys. Salute!
Salute! Tecate!
Tecate!
Mucho apoyo, sea mucho apoyo.
Well, the carnival's on full swing, guys. We got street meat everywhere. Some entertainment. Hoping that the big stage is going to have some people here soon, but they're not on yet. But as you can see, it is getting busy. The Dougster.
I need this on video.
You're getting on video, bud.
Yeah. But hold it for me, please. 50 or 100? Hold this too. I can't have this shit on me. Bad enough.
Come on, boys, to take the dog.
It'd be better if you took the dog. No, I'll just take the dog.
Wait, you gotta pay him.
Oh yeah. I gotta pay?
That was awesome. I'd be more worried about the dog on your back than what's in your
You
pocket.
want me to hold Doug?
Yeah, you should hold dog, I guess.
Oh, you got to change.
Okay, put your money away and zip it up. Here, let me take Doug. Come on, Doug.
When are you going to take him?
Well, hold on, hold on. He clipped his
That's okay. No. Take Doug. There we go, bud.
Okay, wait. Wait.
I'll hold on to him.
Pretty fast.
I have no idea. Looks like, don't let me go, JJ. I don't know what it is. Is that, oh, he only paid for two?
Get me something.
Yeah, you're being recorded. Yeah! For Walmart sells them for 10 pesos, but okay. Flip the camera around. There you go. She goes, it's facing us. How do you flip it around? Turn the camera around. It's complicated as hell, really.
Oh, that's pretty nice too.
Ven a divertirte, ven y pon a prueba tu habilidad y destreza, pon a prueba tu puntería en este nuevo juego que tenemos para ti. Hacemos los datos de la taza. Dale pelotas, pelotero, aplica la bolsilla y ya te viste cómo avanzamos aquí.
Sigue por acá y nos acompaña en este escenario Dani.
Venga, Dani.
Reina del Carnaval 2024. Un aplauso para que no dejen de aplaudir.
Esa Sorora que la hace todavía reina del Carnaval 2020.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of what that thing looks like it just did.
Yeah, go ahead. Bigger, bigger. Very good, very good.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Yeah? Okay. All right. Gracias. All right, guys, this is the next morning from when we walked along the Carnival, La Paz, and then we're just packing up and getting ready to leave here. I took a shower, so I need some fresh water. Just around the corner where we did laundry yesterday, they actually have fresh water there, so I'm just going to drive around and fill up my tank here. But yeah, so it was actually a pretty good night last night. I really enjoyed it. So we're going to be heading down, and I do not know the next spot we're camping. I think we're actually back on the beach, though, I've heard. So Nikki and Rick, they're in the big schoolie, the Huckleberry, and obviously Robin, Stacy are in the truck camper, and behind me is the you-know-who. So I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. And thanks for coming along, and I hope you're enjoying the ride so far. And hopefully I don't lose any more footage. So, all right, guys, let me pack up here and get moving. So we're going to sign off from La Paz. Be good, be kind, be careful. We're going to talk to you guys real soon. Bye-bye.